who are the greatest business athletes of all time? The ones who took their talents on the court or field and launched them into success beyond their playing days. The ones who saw what they did after the game as the game. Each one of these legendary athletes built wealth not just based on their performance on the field, but from investing, owning, and becoming an entrepreneur off the field. This isn't a fame contest. This is about strategy to become a business athlete. Welcome into the Business Athlete Podcast, where we break down the money, moves, and mindset behind the world's modern day athletes beyond their game. I'm your host, Jedidiah Collins, former NFL player and certified financial planner, and your fullback of finance. Today, we're going to run through the top 20, numbers 20 all the way down to number 11 of the greatest business athletes of all time. Every athlete will get a tight breakdown of what they did as an athlete, how they transition, and what makes them an elite example of what it is to be a business athlete. Let's dive in, and as always, take notes because success leaves clues. Coming in at number 20, Venus Williams. Venus pushed for equal pay in tennis and built long-term business partnerships. She built V-Stars Interior, a high-end commercial design firm, and created her 11 activewear brand. She's a leader, a builder, and a visionary. She is also not the last in her family to be on this list. Number 19, Dwayne Wade. Mr. Wade played over 1,000 games and was a 13-time NBA All-Star and 3-time champion. Wade built a lifestyle empire, including wine company, Wade Cellars, media company, 59th and Prairie, and Baller TV. He is also part owner of the Utah Jazz and Chicago Sky. He turned personal interest into brands and equity stakes. Wade's second half of life might be even more impressive than his first. Number 18 is Kevin Durant, KD. 16 NBA seasons and scoring 27,000 points with an 85% free throw percentage is pretty impressive. KD built 35 ventures with partner Rich Kleiman into one of the strongest athlete VC engines in the world. Over 100 investments, including Coinbase, Postmates, Overtime, and League Apps. Invested in startups like Acorn, which is a personal favorite of mine, a financial literacy person. He is also a part owner of professional teams Gotham FC, PLL, MLP Aces. He changed the athlete investor blueprint by making media and investing a unified strategy. Number 17, Kobe Bryant, rest in peace. 20 seasons, 18 of which he was an all-star, and 5 times he was the NBA champion. Kobe's Mamba mentality extended into his business. His $6 million investment in body armor became $400 million when sold to Coca-Cola. Granity Studios produced award-winning films and books, including Oscar winner Dear Basketball. In his VC, Bryant style, Kobe proved curiosity and discipline create generational wealth. Number 16, Alex Rodriguez, A-Rod. 14-time Major League Baseball All-Star with 696 home runs and 3 MVPs to boot. A-Rod built one of the largest athlete real estate portfolios in history through A-Rod Corp. He has currently $1 billion in assets in A-Rod Corp. Now he's part owner of the Minnesota Timberwolves and the Minnesota Lynx. He's a co-founder of ticketing platform Jump, and he has investments across fitness, wellness, technology, as well as being a Shark Tank judge. A-Rod is a true operator, not just an investor. Number 15 is Lewis Hamilton, a 7-time Formula One champion and one of the most globally influential athletes today. Hamilton has a non-alcoholic tequila brand, Almave, a vegan restaurant chain, Neat Burger, and a fashion brand, Plus 44. He also has a film company, Dawn Apollo Films. Not to mention, he's the co-owner of the Denver Broncos. With Lewis Hamilton Ventures, he blends culture, sustainability, and ownership like nobody in his profession before. Number 14, Steph Curry. Known as the greatest shooter to ever play in the NBA. Steph built Unanimous Media, a storytelling powerhouse. His bourbon brand is Gentleman's Cut. He was the face of Under Armour before launching out on his own and has a VC called Penny Jar Capital. Curry takes equity in tech, sports, performance, and consumer brands, and Steph is a master of IP ownership and storytelling. Number 13, Patrick Mahomes, the face of the Kansas City Chiefs and 3-time Super Bowl MVP. key. Mahomes isn't waiting until retirement. He already owns stake in the Kansas City Royals, Sporting KC, and KC Current, not to mention the Alpine F1 team and even a pickleball team down in Miami. He co-founded KMO Burger to bring Whataburger to Kansas and Missouri, as well as founded Thorn Sports Coffee. He is also an investor in Hyper Ice and Whoop. Whoop! Bam! Mahomes is building a portfolio before the age of 30, and that's pretty scary when you consider compound interest. Number 12, Naomi Osaka, a rising legend on and off the tennis court. She was the first Asian player to become the world #1 and has won 4 Grand Slams. Osaka built Hanakuma, her media company with LeBron Spring Hill, to tell culturally relevant stories. She also has a skincare line Kinlo and a talent management company Evolve. She is also part owner of the National Women's Soccer League North Carolina Courage. Osaka represents the next generation of athlete entrepreneurs, purpose-driven and platform-aware. Coming in at number 11, Floyd Mayweather. Money Mayweather had a boxing career where he retired perfect. A 50-0 professional record spanning 5 weight classes and 15 major boxing titles. Love him or not, he's one of the smartest negotiators in boxing and sports history. Mayweather owned his fight promotion through Mayweather Promotions, meaning he kept the revenue. He proved that owning the platform beats performing on it. A masterclass in leverage. He has also built a real estate empire with the most notable $415 million affordable housing project. He built Mayweather Fitness Holdings, which is a gym franchising company. He has money in his name, and let's all agree, Money Mayweather knows how to speak the language. There you have it, the most legendary business athletes, number 20 down to number 11. Different sports, different personalities, different paths, but one shared skill. They didn't let the game define them, they used the game to prepare them. Every one of these athletes mastered ownership, equity, longevity, and the mindset of being a CEO of themselves. You are a walking, talking, breathing business. Be the CEO. That's the business athlete model. It's what I teach every athlete, every student, and every family I get the good fortune to talk to. If you want to see athletes number 10 to number 1, you should go ahead and follow this channel. If you want to leave a review as to who you may think be number 1, would love to hear it. And go ahead and send this to any young athlete or student who needs to hear it or would get value out of it. Until next time, I'm Jedidiah Collins, the fullback of finance, asking you to like, share, or follow, and reminding you, speak money, build legacy, and be a business athlete.